Place a bottle in your bathroom drain, and you won't believe what happens next. This simple hack has transformed countless bathrooms into clean, fresh spaces. In just a few moments, you'll discover how easy it is to keep your drains clear and your bathroom pest-free. The unique design of these bottles can be a game-changer when it comes to household hacks. Let's get started. First, grab a regular plastic soda bottle. You don't need anything fancy here. Now, squirt some cola all over the grill. Yes, the grill. Let it sit for a few minutes to work its magic on any rust. Next, take a steel bung and remove all that stubborn rust. Now for the fun part. Take that soda bottle and insert it into the drain hole. Use a marker to measure where to cut. You'll want to cut just above the mark you made so the trap stays put. If your drain hole is a bit wider, grab a larger plastic bottle. Don't have scissors? No worries. Just use whatever you have handy to cut the bottle. Now, cut a few triangular shapes at the end to create flaps. You can use this trap in your bathroom sink, shower, or even kitchen drains. It's a versatile solution for any spot where pesky critters might invade. Then, using a soldering iron, make some holes around the bottle. So, you're probably wondering what this bottle is really doing down there. By placing this cleverly modified bottle in your drains, you're creating a barrier that prevents hair, food particles, and even cockroaches from sneaking through. The holes you made allow water to filter through while keeping those unwanted visitors at bay. This DIY trap not only blocks pests, but also catches hair before it causes any blockages. If you'd like to know what happens when you put a plastic bag on the broom, check out my next video. Click here to watch.